In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage your schedule using Google Calendar. Whether you're trying to juggle work commitments, personal errands, or important meetings, having your events neatly organized can make a world of difference. Let's dive in and see how you can take control of your time with just a few simple steps. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Google Calendar, which you can easily access by typing calendar.google.com into your search bar. Once the page loads, if you're not already signed in, you'll need to enter your login credentials. Ensure you've logged in with the account you wish to use for managing your calendar. Having everything in one place means less stress and a clearer overview of your commitments. Now, let's talk about creating or editing an event. If you're looking at your calendar, you'll notice various date and time slots displayed. To create a new event, just click on the specific date and time that you want. Once you've done that, a window will pop up with the option to create a new event. If you're already eyeing an existing event and want to make some tweaks, just click on it to open the editing mode. This ensures you're always up to date with any last-minute changes. After getting your event window open, one nifty feature you can use to keep everything organized is the color coding system. Within the event window, you'll see a color palette icon. This is your tool for categorizing events visually. And trust me, utilizing these colors can streamline how you distinguish between various types of activities at a glance. For example, you might choose red for work-related tasks, blue for personal appointments, and green for meetings. Imagine scanning your calendar and immediately knowing what your day holds based on color alone. It's a simple yet powerful way to declutter your schedule visually. Finally, once you're satisfied with your event details and the chosen category color, don't forget this crucial last step. Click the Save button. By saving, all your newly inputted or edited information will be securely applied to your calendar. It's this quick save feature that ensures you don't lose any of your hard work. And there you have it, a straightforward method to manage your time and tasks using Google Calendar. This tool is versatile enough to handle everything from your daily routine to juggling multiple priorities. By organizing events with such ease and clarity, you'll find yourself navigating through your days with much more confidence and less overwhelmed. So give it a try and start transforming the way you see your schedule today.